I got a little bit of extra time today, so I'm not having a veggie sandwich. I'm all red because of the light. I'm actually having what I would put in my sandwich normally, plus more vegetables. I'll show you. So I'm having broccoli florets, Napa cabbage, bok choy, snow peas. I grab a handful of this, then I grab kale, and then I grab baby spinach, and then shredded cabbage, and then I put it on the chopping board, and I chop it all up with this huge knife. Just chop it one way, turn it around, chop it the other way. I cob it all up. Let me go show you what it looks like. So I chop it up, and I put it in here. So that's all that I just told you, all chopped up. So now I'm having it in a salad. I get to sit down and enjoy it. And then instead of having the sourdough as a sandwich, I toast it, which is like rare luxury. I toast it, and then I slice it with that same big old knife. I have like little breadsticks. This time I'm not using Camara sauce, I'm using Mexicana salsa. And Mexicana salsa is actually the dressing I'm using. I'm not using like a creamy dressing. I use salsa as my dressing. So basically it's just tomatoes and chiles chopped up and cooked up in there. So all chopped up, she wanted me to say chopped again. All chopped up, that's what it looks like right there. That's lunch, not veggie sandwich. It's a veggie salad with breadsticks. And of course, wash it down with the bubbly soda.